Very good morning, students. I hope you all are good. So today we have to start with the chapter number 2 of English grammar, that is naming words. The chapter number 2 is naming words. Students, you have to do it in your English grammar book. So let us understand what are naming words. You have read this chapter also in English literature book in chapter 1 in the back exercise. I hope that you all remember it. Let us revise. Naming words are also known as nouns. Naming words are also known as nouns. Words which tell us the names of people, places, animals and things are called naming words or nouns. So the words which tell us the names of people, places, animals and things are called naming words or nouns. So nouns are the words which tell us about the name of a people, name of a place, name of an animal and name of a thing. They are known as nouns, or you can say naming words. Examples: Mohan walked into the garden. Mohan walked into the garden. Here Mohan is the name of a person, so it is a noun. And last word, garden. Garden is the name of a place where you can visit. You can walk over there, you can do the exercise. So garden is the name of a place. It is again a noun. Next example: the kite is flying in the sky. The kite is flying in the sky. Here kite is the name of a thing and sky is again name of a place. So these two words, kite and sky, they are the nouns. Let us start this chapter, students. Look at the pictures. Write the names of what you see in the pictures. You have to look at the picture and then you have to tell what is there in this picture. The first picture is of a car. Blank is given to you. You have to write it over there. Car. C-A-R. Car. Students, car is the name of a thing. So it is a noun. Next, school. School is the name of a place. So it is also a noun. Third, you can see the picture. A boy is playing on the skates. The picture is of a boy. So it is the name of a person. Next, cat. Cat is an animal. Next, bag. Bag is the name of a thing. It is a thing in which you can keep your stationery things. So bag is the name of a thing. Next is a picture of park. Park where you can play with your friends, you can go with your family members. So park is a place where you can visit. It is the name of a place. It is a noun. Next is again elephant. Elephant is an animal. So name of an animal is also a noun. So elephant is a noun. Next, doctor. Doctor is the name of a person. He is a person. He can be male, he can be female. Doctor is the name of a person. So it is a noun. You have to write the doctor spelling in the blank. And the last, the picture is of teacher. Already I told you in that chapter also, teacher is the name of a person, that is people. So it is a noun. Fill these blanks with the correct spelling, students. Now write these naming words in the correct columns. Don't get confused between naming words and nouns. They both have the same meaning. Naming words and noun, they are same. So now you have to write all these words in the correct column. You have to identify which is the name of a people, name of a place, name of an animal and name of a thing. First column is of people. So we have to identify from the pictures. 3 people names were there. That was boy, doctor, teacher. You will write in the column of people. Next is places. Which 2 places were there in these pictures? That is school and park. School and park. So you will mention it in places. Next is animals. 2 animals were there. Cat and elephant. So cat and elephant are the name of an animal. We will write in the column of animals. Next is things. Two things were there again. First was car and then it was bag. So you will write in the name of a thing. So these are your naming words, or you can say nouns. Come to the next page, that is page number 17. A part, underline the naming words in the sentences. Underline the naming words in the sentences. You have to underline the naming words. You have to underline the nouns in these sentences. We have to find. First is, the taxi is waiting outside the house. The taxi is waiting outside the house. First noun here in this line is taxi. Taxi is a vehicle name. It is a name of a thing. It is a vehicle, students. A four-wheeler, that is taxi. So taxi is a name of a thing. So it can be any naming word. It can be name of a person, place, animal or thing. So it is a thing, taxi. We will underline it. Next is house. House where we can live. So it is a name of a place. So you will underline it, house. Second statement, I eat jam and bread for breakfast. I eat jam and bread for breakfast. Jam is again the name of a thing, then bread and then breakfast. So three nouns are there in this sentence that are naming words. Jam, bread and breakfast. They are the name of a thing. Third is, I saw a kangaroo in the zoo. I saw a kangaroo in the zoo. Here kangaroo is the name of an animal and zoo is the name of a place where animals live. So these two are the naming words. Fourth is, the policeman is standing on the road. The policeman is standing on the road. Policeman, students. Who is the policeman? Who protects us? So it can be male or female. I mean, he can be he or she, boy or girl. It can be anyone. It is the name of a person. And the road where we can travel, where we can move, that is the road where vehicles can move. So it is the name of a place. So these two are the nouns in the sentence. Fifth line, the kite is flying in the sky. The kite is flying in the sky. Kite and sky both are the naming words. Why? Kite is the name of a thing and sky is the name of a place. Sky is the name of a place, students. 6. My teddy bear is brown in color. My teddy bear is brown in color. So teddy bear is again a name of a thing and color is also a thing. So these two are the naming words. 7th, my sister is 2 years old. My sister is 2 years old. Sister is the name of a person, so it is a naming word. 8th, the lion is the king of the jungle. The lion is the king of the jungle. Lion is the name of an animal. King is the name of a person. And jungle is the name of a place. So 3 naming words are there in this sentence. 9th, the tailor is sewing a dress. Tailor is the name of a person and dress is a thing. Underline both the words. 10th, my mother made biryani for dinner. My mother made biryani for dinner. Mother is the name of a person. Biryani is a dish which is a thing. And dinner is also a thing in which we take our dinner. So 3 are the naming words. 11th, this shirt is dirty. Shirt is again name of a thing which we wear. It is a type of a cloth. So shirt is the name of a thing. It is a naming word. 12th, the water in the jug is cold. The water in the jug is cold. Water is again a name of a thing which we drink. That is water, liquid. It is a thing. And jug is also an artificial thing. That is also a name of a thing. So 2 are the naming words. Students, underline the naming words. If any confusion is there for any word, you can ask me. Come to the page number 18 now. Again we have to circle the naming words. Write them in the correct columns. Circle the naming words and write them in the correct columns. You have to circle the naming words means nouns and then write it down in the correct columns. Again, columns are there as you can see down, that is people, animals, places and things. You will find one by one which are the naming words and then you will write it down in the correct columns. First, Rahul and Ritu were coming from school. Rahul and Ritu were coming from school. So Rahul and Ritu both are the name of a person and school is the name of a place. So we have written Rahul and Ritu in the people's column and school in the place column. Second, the little girl was playing in the park. Here girl is the name of a person, that is people. So we have written third, girl in people column. Next is park. It is the name of a place. We will write in the places column. Next is Myra went to her village for the holidays. Myra went to her village for the holidays. Myra is the name of a person. Village is a place. She saw many animals. Animals, they are the type of animals. It can be any animal. So we will write it animal word in the animals column. Her grandmother showed her a cow too. Grandmother is the name of a person. Cow is an animal. The cow gave milk every day. Students, if the word is coming 2 times or it is getting repeated again and again, you have to write only 1 time. Don't write it again and again, just write it 1 time. Cow we have written already in animals column, we will not write it again. Milk. Milk is a thing. It is a liquid that we drink. So it is the name of a thing which is a naming word. We will write in the things column. This way students, last 2 statement also you have to do. Just find out which are the naming words and write in the correct columns. I hope it is clear. The last question now. Look at the pictures and write a sentence about what they are. Look at the pictures and write a sentence about what they are. So the first is, firstly you have to look at the picture and then you have to write the sentence that what they are. For example, first they have written already. As you can see the picture of a policeman on the right side. So we will write, this is a policeman. This is a policeman. Second picture is of dolphin. Dolphin is a type of fish. So we will write, this is a dolphin. Write the correct spelling of dolphin. D-O-L-P-H-I-N. Dolphin. Third picture is of a bird. So this is a bird. This is a bird. Fourth picture is of clown. So you will write, this is a clown. This is a clown. And the last picture is of butterfly. You will write, this is a butterfly. This is a butterfly. B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-Y. Butterfly. This is a butterfly. Students, complete this chapter number 2, naming words, in your English grammar book. If any doubt is left, you can contact me. And these 2 parts also, do it carefully in the B exercise. Thank you. Have a nice day ahead.